Hello children, a very good morning to you all. I hope you're all staying safe and healthy. Good children, welcome to grade 2 English class. So today we are going to see unit 6 prose. The prose name is Goldilocks and Three Bears, okay? So children, open your book, go to unit 6 Goldilocks and Three Bears. Okay children, so this is a story. You children like stories, right? Good. So the story is about a girl named Goldilocks who visits a bear's cottage in the forest. Okay, the story is about a girl named Goldilocks. Okay children, so the story is an interesting one and it is adapted from Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Okay children, so shall we start with the story? Yes. So once there lived a girl. She had curly hair, right? So once there was a girl with curly hair. Her name was Goldilocks. So the girl having curly hair. Her name was Goldilocks. Okay. So one day she went into the forest near her house. She went into the forest near her house. Okay. So on the way she saw a cottage. Okay. On the way she saw a cottage. She went near to that and she knocked the door. Okay. She was asking, is anybody in? She asked. There was nobody. There is no reply. So there was nobody. Okay. The Burr family lived in the cottage. They had gone for walks. So the house belongs to Burr. Okay. So the Burr family lived in the cottage. They had gone for walk. So she went near to the cottage and she knocked the door and she went in. Okay. Goldilocks went in. She wanted to see who lived there. Very eagerly she went in and wanted to see who lived there. But there was no one right in the house. So she saw a table, okay, inside the house. On the table there are 3 bowls of porridge, okay. She saw 3 bowls of porridge on the table. There was a big bowl for Papa Bear, middle-sized bowl for Mama Bear, and tiny little bowl for Baby Bear. So there are 3 bowls of porridge here. So this is the big bowl, this is the middle one, and this is a tiny little bowl. So this one is for Papa Bear, this one is for Mama Bear, and tiny little one for Baby Bear. Okay. So on seeing that, Goldilocks was hungry. She was feeling very hungry, right? She wanted to eat the porridge, okay? She ate the porridge from the big bowl. She started to eat the porridge. She first started with the big bowl. So how it is? It was very hot. So it was very hot. She took only a little amount of the porridge from the big bowl, okay? Next, she ate from the middle-sized bowl. So next she ate from the middle-sized bowl. It was too cold. So she felt it was very cold. So she ate only a little amount of porridge from middle-sized bowl. The next one is she ate from the tiny little bowl. This is the tiny little bowl. Okay. So it was just right. So she felt this was okay. So she ate up all the porridge from the tiny little bowl. Okay. So Goldilocks ate up all the porridge. Then she went to the bedroom. Okay. There she saw 3 beds, right? There was a big bed for Papa Bear, middle-sized bed for Mama Bear, and tiny little one for Baby Bear. Okay. So a tiny little bed for Baby Bear. So she wanted to sleep. First she went to the big bed and she felt it was very hot. The big bed was very hot. The middle-sized bed was too soft. Okay. The next one is, but the tiny little bed was just right. She felt okay with that tiny little bed. And Goldilocks fell asleep in the tiny little bed. She fell asleep in the bed after eating the porridge, right? Suddenly what happened? The Bear family came back. They saw that house was open, right? So they went in right? They went in and they shocked on seeing the table. There was no porridge, right? Only little amount of porridge in the big bowl and the medium bowl. What about the tiny bowl? There was no porridge because Curly Lock ate all this thing, right? Somebody ate my porridge, shouted Papa Bear in his big gruff voice. So on seeing the bowl, Papa Bear, he started to shout by saying, "Someone ate my porridge." "Somebody ate my porridge too," said Mama Bear. So next, the Mama Bear, she also saw the porridge, right, in medium-sized bowl. There was only little amount, no? So, "Somebody ate my porridge too," said Mama Bear. And what happened next? The little one, "Somebody finished all my porridge," right? Said Baby Bear in his tiny little voice. Okay. So next, on seeing this, the bear family went into the bedroom, right? "Somebody slept in my bed." On seeing the bed, the Papa Bear said, Somebody slept in my bed," shouted Papa Bear in his big gruff voice. Okay. The next, "Somebody slept in my bed too," said Mama Bear. Mama Bear also said, "Somebody slept in my bed also." Next, "Somebody is sleeping in my bed," said Baby Bear in a tiny little voice. On seeing the Curly Locks, she was sleeping in the little bed, no? So on seeing that, "Somebody is sleeping in my bed," said Baby Bear in her tiny little voice. Okay. So, on hearing the sound of the bear, the Curly Locks, what she did? She woke up. She saw 3 bears, okay? So, she woke up and she saw 3 bears are standing near to her, okay? She jumped down and ran out of the cottage as fast as she could. So, she started to ran out of the cottage by jumping down very fastly and started to run very fast from the cottage. Okay, children, so that's all the end of the story. So I hope this is an interesting story, no? Yes. So now it's part for new words. So the first word is curly. 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 What is meaning of curly? Wavy, coiled or spiral shaped. So it is a wavy or coiled or spiral shaped one. Okay. So the sentences, I have curly hair. I have curly hair. Okay. The next word is cottage. 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 What is the meaning of cottage? It is a small house. Okay. So the sentence for that is, this cottage is built with bamboo and straw. Okay. Next one is porridge. So what is the meaning of porridge? Cereal boiled in water or milk. Porridge. Porridge. It is a cereal boiled in water or milk. So children, you love to eat porridge, right? It is a healthy one. Okay. So porridge is my favorite dish. So the next word is bowl. 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 A round dish used for food or liquid. A round dish used for having food or liquid. Okay. The sentence is, the bowl is full of ice cream. So the next word is hungry. Hungry. What is the meaning of hungry? Feeling or showing the need for food. Okay. So I am very hungry. Bird. Okay. A large, thick furred wild animal. Okay. That is a wild animal. Okay, children. I hope you all understood the story, right? Yes. Okay, we'll go for homework part. So today's homework is in page number 102. Okay. Write 5 lines on my family. You can write about your family. Okay. Next, let's listen and enjoy. A sailor went to sea to see what he could see. But all that he could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea. So make sentences with see and tail. Okay, you need to make sentences with SEA and SEE. Similarly, tail, TAIL, TALE. Okay, children. Next one is in page number 103. Okay. The Burr family went for a walk before dinner. Somebody came in look at what they did. Okay, see in this picture, who are they? Yes, mouse and cat. Okay, write about all the things kept in wrong places. Okay, you need to write about all the things which kept in wrong places. See here, ball, it is not in the correct place. Yes, see flower, so ball dash papa base plate on, right? A flower dash mama base plate, a plant dash baby bus chair under, right? So we need to write that. And what else do you see in this picture? See, shoe in a jar, right? So these things you need to write in the book. Okay, do your homework and send to test without fail. Okay children, so we'll meet in the next class. Thank you.